In 2020, lockdown, isolation, quarantine, these are the few terms which have drastically affected our life. Gathering in school, college, office, hassle in transport, traffic, everything suddenly has stopped. Restaurants, beaches, supermarkets, theatre become empty. We are now locked in our homes. These sudden changes not only influenced our lifestyle but also our mind and body. So here are 5 essential tasks one should do during this lockdown to cope up with these changes. First, take care of your eyes. Whether you wear specs or not, your eyes are facing problems like itching, dry eye, blurred vision, photophobia, headache, brow ache, etc. This is due to increase in screen time for long home stay and increase in our online engagements. So, try to decrease your screen time as much as possible. Buy some teardrops if needed. Blink your eyes often. Rinse them with cold water. And don't forget to go to the garden or rooftop so that your eyes don't get deprived of natural brightness. Secondly, take care of your body. Due to lockdown, not only gym, playgrounds are closed, but also there is a decrease in our normal locomotion and body movement. We spend most of the time sitting on a sofa or laying down lazily, watching our smartphones or laptops. In the long term, these habits are harmful, physically as well as psychologically. So, try to do some freehand exercise, or if you enjoy, do a little dance with your favorite song and feel relaxed. Clean your home, cook something new, or learn something other than your sedentary work, or do anything actively so that your normal body labor at least get fulfilled. Third, express who you are. You cannot deny that lockdown gives us more free time than we usually have. On the other hand, school, college, job pressures are a little bit less as we are able to attend them from our very comfort zones. So, use this opportunity to find who you are. Ask yourself what you love to do most, and you would get an answer. The answer may be something which is apparently out of your reach. Then deduct the task and think further deep to reveal which unique feature of you is expressed through it. Actually, we overlook what we already have in our hand and unknowingly desire for stuffs which depend on many other factors. But most of the time, we already have plenty of options to express our creativity, problem-solving capacity, desire for knowledge, or show our humor or express the artist within ourselves. At first, search for your most basic feature and then use the internet to find out ways to fulfill that unique feature in a productive manner. Believe me, everything is possible when there is the goodwill and a passion. Fourthly, control yourself. Due to free time and space, opportunity and chronic stress of modern life, we spend so much time watching web series, movies, dramas, in sleep or in game. Whatever you are doing now, doing it under no pressure. We behave like gas. Day-to-day schedule was pressure on the gas chamber. Now the pressure got released suddenly due to lockdown, and we are diffusing out recklessly. So you have to keep balance and control yourself. Discipline, maintaining a daily routine, healthy habits, no addiction are a few ways to achieve that. But exactly how? You know yourself better, little devil. Fifth and the most important, appreciate yourself. During normal days, we face so many people and go to so many places that we always remind ourselves, when you are in Rome, do as Romans did. We try to adapt many things from others, and at the end of the day, there remains a lot of confusion and conflict within ourselves. So use this opportunity to accept yourself wholeheartedly. Use this loneliness to know yourself better, to criticize and modify your faults, and above all, appreciate your life and celebrate who you are. We all are facing this lockdown and we all are trying to cope up with it. It is tough, but keep patience. It is going to give us not only more purified nature, but also a more mature and wiser you. It is going to bring your best version out of this darkness. Let's hope for the best.
Please subscribe to our channel if you are not our subscriber already, and press the bell icon for more notifications. If you are our subscriber, like, share and comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.